All right, midpoint formula. This could be possibly the easiest thing you guys learn all year. Maybe the constructions are easier, I don't know. But this is one of the easiest things generally that you guys will learn. Okay, so to do the midpoint formula just basically says you want to find that point in between the 2 points. So all you're doing for the midpoint formula is you're taking your two x coordinates, so x1, and add it with your second x coordinate, x2, and then divide that by 2. Okay? And then you do the same thing with your y coordinates, y1 plus y2, all divided by 2. Okay? And that'll give you that point that is exactly halfway between the 2 points that are given. So for example, on number 1, I'm going to set it up just like the formula says. So I'm going to do a big parenthesis here. -5 would be the x1, so -5 plus 5, which is the x2, and then divide that by 2. And then do the same thing with the y's, so -10 plus 2, all divided by 2. Okay, -5 plus 5 is going to be 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So I'm going to get 0 for my x, and then -10 plus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that is going to be the midpoint between those two coordinates. Okay, not too tough, right? Let's look at another example. So let's look at right here. -4, 0, -10, 8. So again, setting up, be -4 plus -10. It's a -10. All divided by 2. And then 0 plus 8, all divided by 2. So -4 plus -10 is -14, divided by 2 is going to be -7. So the new x coordinate is going to be -7. 0 plus 8 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So -7, 4. That's your answer. Okay? Not too tough, right? Let's look at another example. Let's do number 5. So number 5, -8 plus 2, all divided by 2. Okay? Oh, wait. This is the -4 up there. Sorry. Then, -6 plus -6, all divided by 2. Yeah. So -8 plus 2 is going to be -6, and then divided by 2 is -3. So the new x-coordinate is going to be -3. -6 plus -6 is going to be -12, divided by 2 is just going to be -6. So it stays -6. And that makes sense, because if you think about it, both of these have the same y-coordinate, which means it's a horizontal line right there at -6. So of course, halfway between it is still going to be on -6. Okay? And that's basically all it is to solve for the midpoint, is you just take your two x's, add them together, divide by 2. Take your two y's, add them together, divide by 2. And that's it.